Hey friends and family. First of all, I do not own the rights to this music, and I am turning it down. Listen, I just wanted to talk to people who have a vision, people who have desires, they have dreams that they want to fund. Just basically someone who has things that they would really love to do if all the resources was in place. I myself, I'm an entrepreneur, so I always do several different things. I look for different ways to generate income. That's what I do. But my feet is planted in trading, and one of the reasons that it's planted in trading is because what a lot of people do not understand is that trading is a resource that will allow you to fund your dreams and your aspirations. One of the obvious indicators of that would simply be this: the banks actually trade your savings or whatever you deposit into their banks. They trade it in the foreign exchange market. If you want to know more about that, I will definitely share it, but you have to understand that banks are in the business of making money off of your money. Therefore, they're not really in the business of seeing you be successful. They're not concerned with that. They're going to ensure whatever money that they give you. They're going to ask for you to have some type of collateral because they're going to make sure that they do not lose. What I want to introduce you to is a way to allow yourself to begin to fund yourself. I want to show you how to let your money make money for you, just like the banks do. Of course, it's different than anything you've probably heard before, so it seems a little far-fetched. But what I want you to understand is it's just like anything else that you didn't previously know, or something that you haven't had the opportunity to learn. But if you would give me 5 minutes of your time, I'll be glad to show you how you can earn while you actually learn, if you're interested. Because in times like these, we really do not have the time for people who is just fishing around, just playing around. We want people that are serious, because this is actually a serious way to fund your dreams and your aspirations. I know a lot of people say, oh, how can that be? Well, like anything else, if you want to understand how this actually works, then get in touch with me and let me show you how you can actually do with your money what the banks do, so your money will actually earn money for you instead of for the banks. So it's very important that you understand this, for your own benefit. I'm the type of person that like to see everybody win. And when I'm strengthened, my desire is always to strengthen my brethren. So if you have a desire to learn how you can do these things for yourself, get in touch with me and let me show you the way. I'll be more than glad to introduce you to what will fund your dreams and your aspirations. Steve Savoy, hit me up and